How to delete post on Hudl. Hey guys, in this video, I will let you know how to delete post on Hudl. So first of all, the first step is to sign into your account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Hudl website, hudl.com. Sign into your account using your username or password. Next step is to access your content. First, log in, navigate to the content section where your game footage or clips are located. This could be your library or any other sections where you have uploaded or recorded videos. Next step is to locate the post. Find the specific post and you want to delete from your content library or feed. After that, edit or manage post. Look for the options to edit or manage the post. This is usually represented by the icons or buttons near the post. Next step is to delete the post. Select the options to delete the post. You may be prompted to confirm the deletion. Next is to confirm deletion. If prompted, confirm that you want to delete the post. Be aware that this action is usually irreversible. So make sure you are certain about deleting the post. After that, verify post deletion. Once the post is deleted, verify that it's no longer visible in your content or library. And in that way, you will be able to delete your post on hudl.com. If you like this video, please subscribe this YouTube channel.